A year in review campaign is always a great opportunity to remind your users of their accomplishments, happy moments or habits, and how you as a company have contributed to them. In this video we will learn what's important and how to create personalized visuals for such a campaign right inside of Airtable. In preparation for this video I've created a fresh Airtable base with some example data, and I've also created a Placid project with the Airtable integration added and a custom design template. Placid's Airtable solution allows you to use content from your Airtable to auto-generate visuals. You can fill text and media layers of your template to create images right inside of your Airtable. While planning a year in review campaign for your business, the most important thing is having your data structured. The better you prepare your data to fit inside your personalized images, the easier and quicker will the generation process be. So for this video, we'll create a personalized image for our fictional photo platform, and I'll jump now in the process to hook it all up. We will now hook up our Airtable together with our Placid project to create our personalized images for our photo platform. The template looks like this. Since it's a photo platform, our users have been posting images and receiving likes for that. So everyone should receive an image like this with their 3 photos inside of it and their amount of likes. So I've created an Airtable with 10 lines. This would be 10 users with fictional user IDs and some random photos and amounts of likes. So photo 1, likes 1 would go into these 2 fields, right? And to do this, we are closing down the editor. First we have to plug in the Airtable API key into this project. I've already done so on the project settings. Here you can see it. And after that we already can create an action. An action is the thing that's where we're gonna tell Placid which fields to take out of the Airtable and where to put them in your template. And after creating the image, where to put the image. So let's just start by creating an action. We will call it year in review image. The interval will be on demand. We will just run the action. For the base ID, you can just hop over here and copy this string. This is your base ID. You can also find it in your API docs, but this is an easy shortcut to get it. You can paste it here. So next thing, we need a table name. This is this one, still called table 1 in our example. We could also filter the records by a table view, but we don't need this. Also, we could define filter records for some fields, but we just want to create all images, so just an image per line. And in the next step, we are now mapping the fields of the template onto the Airtable fields. So we can see these are the layers that are available in our template, and we now have to type in the names of the Airtable fields. So photo 3 would be, for example, photo 3 here. You can just drop in the name of the attachment field, and Placid will know that it is an attachment field and that it has to take the picture. Likes 3 is a text field, so this is one of these bubbles, and we can just copy this as well. I can just type it too. Then we have here photo 2, likes 2, photo 1, likes 1. I think the subline is this one on the left here. I'm not going to add the data for that. It will just stay the same for every of our customers. Now in the last step we can set up output fields. So this tells Placid where to save the image after it's been done. I have not created those yet. Let's do this now. Let's have a field called Placid image. This will be an attachment as we are going to save the image directly in there, and maybe we also take the URL so we can work with it. Placid image URL. This will be just a string, and then we can copy over this field. No, this field should go in the image because this will receive the image directly, and this field will go in here. And now we should be able to create this action. Yeah, here we go. So now we can do a test run. This will already create images, watermarked images to show us if the process has worked and if all the connections are correct. Let's have a look. Oh, that looks quite custom, right? Ah, that's awesome. That's pretty cool. The template is also story sized, so the user can directly post it into their Instagram reels or where they want them in a story or something. So pretty cool. I think this works now, and I will just hit run. And then we can see on the other side in the Airtable how Placid is throwing the images in there. And from there you can work with any workflow and take the attachments or take the URL and do whatever you like to make the user receive his image. There we go. Oh, pretty cool. Yeah, that's it. Now just imagine how long that would have taken to be created manually. Airtable really makes it easy to pull together your needed data to create these kind of visuals alongside of it. And as a next step, it's pretty straightforward to get those images out again and maybe send them back to the user via an email or post them on social media. I'm sure you already have an idea for your business what you could create. Just make sure it's focused on your customers and not your business, that it's personalized, and that it's shareable. Please let me know if you plan to send a campaign like this. I'd love to have a look. I hope this was a helpful video for you, and I wish you a great day. Bye. So that's it for this automation. You will find a link to our blog post with a step-by-step recap of this tutorial in the description. Try it out and tell us what you think.